Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the banding type because PVC peels differently than veneer. Put the panel on a stable surface and clamp it to prevent movement. Using a sharp utility knife, score along the seam at a 30 to 45-degree angle. This severs the glue line without gouging the substrate. Once scored, apply a short burst of heat to soften the adhesive while you hold the banding taut. Make quick, steady pulls so the strip releases cleanly. Once the strip is off, you'll often face sticky adhesive. Heat it gently to about 120 to 150 degrees to soften without burning the substrate. Use a plastic scraper or putty knife at a low angle to lift residue. Metal knives risk damage. If needed, apply a small amount of adhesive solvent and work in short passes. Wipe with a clean rag and allow the surface to dry. Make sure to remove all traces so new finishes adhere properly. To finish, sand the edge smooth using 150 then 220 grit, removing any high spots and feathering into the face so the joint is seamless. If you're reinstalling banding, preheat the strip slightly, apply contact adhesive if required, align carefully, then press with a roller or clamp for consistent pressure. If you experience tear out or small gaps, use a matching wood filler, let it cure, and sand flush before sealing. If adhesive fails, re-clean and repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.